Okay, here we are. I have my multimeter underneath. I have my horn. Here's my solenoid that I think is bad. So I have my positive connection set up right here to that's a positive feed from my relay, pin 87. I have my ground right there. It's a good solid ground. I ground it down and covered it with liquid electrical tape. And all this comes through the cab, up over here, and right there, that's my leg to activate the relay, and that's my current draw. I put it on 10 amps. I think that should be plenty to activate a solenoid at 12 volt. Here's my relay, everything's wired up, and here's my switch. As you can see, it's lit up. Everything turns on when the accessory's on. It's off. Turn the key back on, accessories on. So, let me turn the radio down. I know my switch is working correctly because I can hear the relay activate. That's the relay sound activating. So I know I'm getting power there to the relay and power coming out, 15 amps when that's activated. So I come down here where I have my multimeter set up to my two legs, and I tested the points in the wires as well. Just gonna get that out of the way. So I hit my switch right here, onto here, boom, 12 volts. Switch on, 12 volts. Switch off, nothing. Switch on, 12 volts. Now my compressor's working fine. It's been on and it's holding air, which is great. I love that. But this solenoid right there is not working correctly. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'm a qualified 01 journeyman electrician, both in mechanics, auto mechanics, and residential, commercial, industrial. I know what I'm doing. That's a bad solenoid. Thank you for watching.